I think there's not going to be 1 week where there is a controversial thing about Google that comes out. So Google's AI image generation feature that they had, Gemini AI image generation feature, is under severe criticism because it blatantly refuses to create images of Caucasian race people, which is white people. It also inaccurately depicts some of the historical figures as well. So it's crazy. I mean, for example, I was seeing a demo where somebody asked, "Hey, who are the founding fathers of?" I mean, give the generate images. He generated some wrong images, like no other races actually. They asked, "Okay, show me some examples of Asian race people," and it was able to correctly show that. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of criticism all the way from Elon Musk calling Gemini models as woke as hell. I think he has the same criticism about OpenAI as well, like very woke, and not necessarily being a centrist kind of a model. They're taking one side over the other. So Google has actually they withdrew this feature now. They're trying to figure out what happened and they're trying to work on it. But yeah, a lot of backlash. I mean, Gemma, for example, receives a lot of, applause for the way it is performing, but that is overshadowed by our Gemini's bad AI stuff. Last week, if you see, Gemini 1 million token window had a lot of praise because it was able to retrieve pretty accurately, 99.7% accuracy in retrieval across the 1 million token. But then OpenAI Sora took all over the place. They actually ate up Google for yeah. So yeah, Google, tough times for Google PR team. Hopefully, but I think we should give kudos to Google because they keep trying. They're at least not like Anthropic, according to me, is like just sleeping around. They're doing literally nothing
Anthropic is happy
apart from
signing
the
partnerships, right? Sure.
partnerships, right? Yeah, with AWS and others. So
Google.
at least Google is trying. Yeah, that's good.
See,
Yep.
one and first of all, Elon Musk not criticizing something is not criticizing should be news. Criticizing something should be like next news. But see, I have a different perspective, or not a different perspective, but probably a parallel perspective to this, right? Sure. And this is what we tell our customers. And I just got off a call with a CTO from the healthcare space, right?
Okay.
Where what he wanted to do was he wanted to leverage Chat GPT, right, to probably build
Okay.
patient reports, get recommendations, etc. Right. So what we tell all our customers is that these models cannot be consumed as is for your use case, right? So what I
Yeah.
feel, Shiva, is that all these guardrails that need to be developed. So these models are good, right, for the baseline, generation. For the Intel generation, like we always say that these GPT models or transformer models primarily are intelligent. Like the what they bring on table is learning on the fly, like a human mind would do. But maintaining control on top of these models, giving it context, allowing them, or probably building even guardrails around these models is something that is the responsibility of either service providers like us and you, right, Shiva, or probably the customers who are implementing these use cases, right? So giving everything or putting all the guardrails, etc., on these, like I would probably cloud is a brilliant example, like Shiva, which AWS and all others actually promotes. It's a shared responsibility model. They are responsible just to give you the infrastructure there and the security on that. But whatever you're hosting on top of it, you're responsible for the security of that. Similarly, these models are giving you a good platform to probably build your systems. But on top of it, what you bring in is your responsibility to put guardrails on, right?
Correct. 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 Yes.
Right? So that's my
What do
perspective.
we have?
So,
No, I agree. I agree.